Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show Gordon Ramsay and you how to clean and polish your HexClad pans. I've been using HexClad for 6 years now, and I use my pans at least once if not twice a day, every day, about 6 days a week. But over time and over the years, you get a patina or a copper look on that stainless steel. Now a lot of people have said they want it to look brand new. I personally like the patina. I think it gives it that nice aged look for those pans that show they've been in use in your kitchen. And if you want a beauty queen, I'll show you how to get that too. When you first get your HexClad pans, they look like this. Shiny, nice stainless steel, very clean. But after years of use, this is what you end up with. That's a used pan, that's been in the kitchen, people know you've cooked great meals on it, fed a lot of people, made a lot of people happy, but some people just have this, I gotta have a new looking pan all the time. Now you can hang it up on the wall and never touch it, or you can clean it like this. First thing we're going to do is we're going to wet our pan. We're going to start with the SOS pad on the edges. Just going to do a little sample before we clean the whole pan to show you how much of a difference this really makes. Definitely 6 years of cooking. Almost unrecognizable as the old pan, which I'm sad about, but we're going to go ahead and show you how this is the same pan. Backside's looking absolutely beautiful. Look at that. See that shine? That stainless steel's back. We got our fantastic HexClad logo shining again. You can see it really well. There's no brown tinge to it. Really nice. You need to make sure you wash these pans really well because that barkeeper's friend kind of stays on there for a little bit. So I usually wash it for about 30 seconds or so just to make sure any residue is off it. So we're all done with our HexClad pan. Came out absolutely fantastic. We've got it back to the stainless steel. Look at that, beautiful and shiny, which I actually prefer the patina myself. But we got it looking absolutely brand new, like out of the box, with a few exceptions. This isn't absolutely the most perfect cleaning job or polish job because I wasn't gonna take the time to restore it completely 100%. I wanted a little bit of my old cooking right there on there to remind me. And again, I showed you that here is the herringbone pattern that you want to see. That herringbone should be absolutely clean. If you see black areas such as this, then you still have a ways to go. Now when you're done polishing your pan, you definitely need to re-season it because we want to get that nonstick property back. So make sure you watch my video up here on how to season your HexClad pan, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the HexClad clean and polishing. And Gordon Ramsay, I know you use these pans in your kitchen, so get in there and smoke on, baby.